My name is Buddy Newby. I am owner slash bartender slash janitor slash dishwasher at Junglebird. Junglebird is Sacramento's only tiki bar. For now, unless somebody comes in. Tiki was something I got into and I just kind of went with it. It was a thing that started out as something I thought was cool by seeing different tiki bars and then hanging out and getting to know the drinks, getting to know the spirits involved, and the more and more I dove into it, the more I enjoyed it, and it just became something that kind of took over, I guess. Tiki is a lifestyle in itself. It's not just rum, it's not just the drinks, it's not just music, it's not just the clothes or the atmosphere, it's all of it combined. Whereas rum, you can be somebody who really, really enjoys rum and has nothing to do with tiki. I think that the difference mainly is the people, because you can be totally into tiki and not into rum, but you can be totally into rum and not into tiki too. So they don't necessarily have to work hand in hand, but they definitely do work well together. I guess. I mean, you can be into. I know a lot of people who come into the bar and they're like, "Hey, I don't really like rum. Do you have anything rum?" Absolutely. We have drinks with whiskey in it. We have drinks with vodka in it. We have drinks with gin in it. You don't have to be somebody who likes rum to be into the tiki culture and the tiki scene. My answer used to be that there's no rules, but that's very untrue. There's tons of rules. There's tons of different, just wording on bottling. It has to be, if it's from Jamaica, it has to say this. It's from, if it's an African, it has to say this. And what makes it exciting for me is the different variations of rum that they're out there. You can have a really super crazy funky Jamaican rum that's dope, and then you can have a really sweet Spanish style rum that works great as a cigar, and then you can have a kind of a crazier little funkiness of an agricole, but also have a barrel aged agricole that maybe doesn't have that, and just all the different layers and things and different variations that kind of people are working with. And what makes it so cool to me is the variations of cultures you get out of it from different areas. So like I was saying, definitely people from Panama drink their rum differently than people in Haiti. So it's just a cool thing to learn and continue to grow and continue to find more out about it. That drink would be the Black Magic at the Mai Kai in Fort Lauderdale. Black Magic, I think that's what it's called. Shit, maybe I'm wrong. Something like that. But I should probably make sure I know the answer to that.